Let's go ahead and go over to settings. Let's go white label and let's go subscribers. Okay, this is the most powerful part of this whole thing. You're able to create either super users, someone that signs up as a free user and you want to give them access to be able to run certain prompts, certain categories, certain amounts of spend, total number of runs. You have full control of that right here, okay? Over here, you have your subscribers and your subscriber powers. Now, how does that work? Well, we create a new subscription. Because we're tied to Stripe, we can give our subscription a name, we can give it a price, we can give it a total number of days that they can trial it out, and then we can choose what they get to use, okay? So let's just keep this simple. Let's say all you can eat. Let's say we're just doing an all you can eat plan and that's it, okay? Our all you can eat plan is $99 a month. We're gonna do a trial for 7 days and we're gonna give them access to every prompt in our store. We're gonna give them unlimited number of runs and we're gonna give them total spend unlimited, okay? We're gonna go ahead and click create and we're gonna confirm. That subscription is now going to get added to our Stripe account. And here we go. Voila. You can go live with this. You can delete it or you can archive it. Okay. So there's our subscription. Now that subscription is going to show up inside of your marketplace when it says upgrade to all your free users, or it's going to show to your free users when they actually sign up. They're going to see the option to buy the all they can eat plan. And like we always say, 85 people paying $99 a month is $100,000 a year in recurring residual revenue. So that's exciting. Now you can create unlimited subscriptions. You can slice and dice what they get access to, the number of trial day period they have. All of that is completely up to you to decide to really make your PromptROI private white label marketplace your own. So go in there, have fun, create a bunch of subscriptions that make sense for your business and get subscribers paying you on a residual basis.